Teddy's sick. Oh no, you need a dentist. Okay, you need a dentist coming. Let's go to dentist and doctor. And doctor for teddy bear. What happened? Are you so fine? Are you so fine? Is teeth broken? What is this? Look! Your teeth is crying. You need your dressing. This is your toys?
Yes.
This is your... Yes! You need to check the teeth. Open your mouth. Oh no, teeth is broken. Look, teeth is crying. You need a mask? Don't be scared. You don't know? Don't be scared. Oh, you want toys? This is action. Look, Teddy's scared. This is enough for you. Take your toys. Thank you very much. Thank you. You're welcome. You need an action today. What? Uh-oh, she must be sick. You want TV's fine? Okay. Your teeth too much happy. Put the teeth. Don't eat too much sweet and candies and only drink milk. Teddy, understand? Why is Teddy sick? She must be hurting much. Man, you finished your toys? You take a rest, Teddy. You need to go home. Uh-oh. You want more soup? Thank you. Teddy's feeling good for you. It's empty. It's sleeping time. Reason glasses. Remove your glasses. Good. On the table. Lie down. Teddy bear. You need a seatbelt. You need your seatbelt for the buckle up. And you're sick. You're so sick anytime. Lie down. Take a diaper. Or change her sleeping. Oh look. Uh-oh, she must be sick. Finish. Doctor is finished. La 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 la. Twinkle, twinkle. Bye.